Some of the most difficult orders that Wisconsin courts have to make involve determining a child's placement, also commonly referred to as physical custody, and the appropriate amount of support. Decisions about how much time a child will spend with each parent and whether one parent will be required to provide financial support to the other parent on behalf of the child should not be entered into lightly. Such decisions are supposed to be made after careful evaluation of the facts and circumstances and an analysis of what is in the child's best interest. Of course, every judge evaluates the facts differently, and circumstances can change over time. One parent's living situation, health, employment status, or finances may fluctuate significantly. A child's physical, emotional, or financial needs may also increase or decrease based on unforeseen events. A skilled family law attorney can help you request a modification through the court when these circumstances arise. There are numerous situations that may give rise to a need for modification of placement and/or support orders, including the following: a parent's employment status or work hours change, evidence of substance abuse by a parent or other caregiver, a parent is called for U.S. military active duty, the health of a parent changes significantly or a parent dies, a parent is incarcerated, a parent wants to relocate to a new city or state, the child's living situation is potentially unsafe because of a step-parent's or other resident's abuse or neglect. A parent's marital status changes. A support order does not follow Wisconsin's statutory guidelines. A significant change in financial circumstances of one or both parties warrant a change in the amount of support. A support order does not include an order for medical support. If you want to modify an existing placement or child support order, you must petition the court to do so if you cannot reach an agreement with your child's other parent. In addition to filing the appropriate petition or motion, you must be prepared to provide support for your request, including evidence demonstrating that the requested changes would be in your child's best interest. For requests to modify child support, you and your child's other parent will be expected to file updated financial information with the court, including, but not limited to, verification of your current income. When both parents agree on modification requests, the process is more straightforward. The court will typically approve a stipulation for modification so long as it is not inherently unfair to either party or the child. However, if your child's other parent disagrees with your requested change, the modification process will likely involve additional time and effort. Your family law attorney will work carefully to help you navigate the court filing requirements and present your best case to the court, thereby helping you fight for what is in your child's best interest. Because placement decisions are supposed to be based on a thorough analysis of what is in the child's best interests, and because consistency is important for children to thrive, courts are reluctant to modify orders during the first 2 years after their issuance. Generally, Wisconsin courts will not approve requests to modify placement orders during the first 2 years if the modification would mean that the child would spend significantly less time with a parent. However, exceptions are possible in certain situations. Specifically, if the courts believe the current order is putting the child at risk of physical or emotional harm, or if it is simply not possible for one parent to comply with the terms of the order, a request for the modification of the placement order may be approved. We understand that circumstances can and do change over time, and sometimes returning to court to modify an ill-suited or outdated order is unavoidable. Our skilled family law attorneys are dedicated to helping clients obtain appropriate orders to reflect those changed circumstances. To learn more and to schedule an initial consultation, contact us online in Waukesha today or call us at 262-827-1700.